What is Shop Pay and how does it work? Hey guys, Chet here. Today I want to explain something that a lot of people see on Shopify stores but do not fully understand. What is Shop Pay and how does it actually work? More importantly, is it good for store owners and customers or is it just another checkout option that you can ignore? By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand what Shop Pay is, how it works behind the scenes, and why it can make a real difference to your Shopify store. But before we begin, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial, plus the $1 per month offer. You'll also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Now let's get started. So first, what is Shop Pay? In simple words, Shop Pay is Shopify's own fast checkout system. It's designed to help customers complete their purchases in a quick and smooth process as possible. Instead of filling out shipping details, billing information, and payment details every single time, Shop Pay saves that information securely and lets customers check out in just a few taps. The main goal of Shop Pay is speed. The faster the checkout, the fewer customers you lose at the final step. And that is where Shop Pay really shines. Now let's talk about why Shopify even created Shop Pay in the first place. One of the biggest problems in e-commerce is abandoned carts. People add products to their cart, reach checkout, then leave because the process feels long, confusing, or even annoying. Shopify saw this problem and built Shop Pay specifically to reduce friction at checkout. Instead of relying only on traditional checkout forms, Shop Pay gives customers a faster and more familiar experience, especially on mobile. And today, most online shopping happens on phones, not desktops. Now let's move into how Shop Pay actually works from the customer side. When a customer shops on a Shopify store that has Shop Pay enabled, they can choose Shop Pay at checkout. If it is their first time, then they enter their email, shipping address, and payment details. Shop Pay then saves this information securely, so the next time that customer visits any Shopify store that supports Shop Pay, they do not need to re-enter everything. They simply confirm their details, verify using a one-time code sent to their phone or email, and complete the purchase. That's it. From the customer's point of view, this feels fast, simple, and smooth. Not long forms, not repeating typing, just a few clicks and the order is placed. Now let's talk about security because this is where people often begin to have questions. Shop Pay is built with strong security in mind, right? Customer information is encrypted and stored securely. Verification codes are used during checkout, which adds an extra layer of protection. Customers do not need to create a password, which also reduces risk. This really begins to make ShopPay feel safer and easier at the same time. Customers trust it because it's backed by Shopify, and Shopify already has a strong reputation in e-commerce. Now let's shift to the store owner's side and talk about why ShopPay matters for your business. The biggest benefit is higher conversion rates. A faster checkout usually means more completed purchases. Shopify itself has shared that stores using ShopPay often see higher checkout conversion compared to standard checkout flows. From what I've seen, this makes sense. When customers reach checkout, they're already interested. The only thing that can stop them is friction. ShopPay removes a lot of that friction. Another big advantage is mobile performance. Mobile users are more likely to abandon checkout if it feels slow or complicated. ShopPay is optimized for mobile, which helps capture sales that would otherwise be lost. Now let's talk about ShopPay installments because this is another really important feature. ShopPay allows eligible customers to split their purchase into multiple payments. This means that customers can buy now and pay over time, depending on their eligibility and region, of course. For store owners, this can increase average order value. Some customers may feel more comfortable buying higher priced products when they can split payments. You still get paid, and the customer gets the flexibility. This feature works especially well for higher ticket products and can make your store more competitive without needing to offer manual payment plans. Now let's talk about setup because many people think that ShopPay requires extra work. The good news is that ShopPay is very easy to enable. If you're using Shopify payments, ShopPay is usually available by default or can be turned on from payment settings. You don't need to install apps or customize code. Once enabled, it appears automatically at checkout for eligible customers. You do not need to manage it manually. Shopify handles the rest. Okay, this is another reason ShopPay fits well into the Shopify ecosystem. It feels native, it feels built in, and it works without extra effort. Now let's compare ShopPay to other checkout options briefly. Traditional checkout requires customers to type everything every time. That is slow, right? Guest checkout improves this slightly, but it is still not as fast as ShopPay. Third-party wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay are also fast, but ShopPay has one big advantage. It works across Shopify stores. Once a customer uses ShopPay on one store, they can use it on many others. That network effect is powerful. Over time, more customers become familiar with ShopPay, and that familiarity leads to faster decisions and higher trust. Let's talk about branding and control. Some store owners worry that ShopPay takes attention away from their brand. In reality, it's quite the opposite. A smooth checkout experience makes your store feel professional and reliable. Customers rarely blame a store for having an easy checkout, right? They remember the experience, not the button color. If the experience is smooth, they're more likely to come back. Now, fees, because this is always an important topic. Shopify Pay, or Shop Pay rather, itself does not add extra fees beyond what you already pay through Shopify payments. That means that you're not paying additional costs just to offer faster checkout. When you compare this to third party tools or custom checkout solutions, ShopPay often ends up being the simpler and more cost effective option. Now, let's answer a common question. Should every Shopify store use ShopPay? In most cases, yes. If your store is eligible and you are using Shopify payments, there is very little downside. It improves checkout speed, works well on mobile, and builds trust with customers. Now, the only time it might not be relevant is if your audience does not shop online frequently or prefers manual checkout methods. But for most e commerce stores, especially in competitive niches, ShopPay is a strong advantage. Let's talk about the bigger picture. ShopPay is not just a checkout feature. It's part of Shopify's strategy to improve the entire buying experience. Shopify understands that winning e-commerce is not just about traffic, it's about conversion. You can have the best ads, the best products, the best pricing, but if checkout is slow, you lose sales. ShopPay fixes that problem in a simple and scalable way. This is one of the reasons I like Shopify as a platform. They do not just focus on store owners, but they also deeply care about the customer experience, right? When both sides benefit, the system works better. So, how does Shop Pay fit into your store strategy? If you're just starting, maybe enabling Shop Pay early helps you capture more sales from day one. If your store is already running, turning on Shop Pay can improve conversion without changing any of your marketing. It is one of those small changes that can have a big impact over time. All right, that's it for this video. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for the 3-day Shopify free trial, plus that $1 per month offer. You'll also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. As always, thanks for watching. If you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you right here in the next video.